says Shaco 8, but it's actually Shaco 9. And this is the site that we'll be working on. It's the Unitech entry for the Shaco 9 project. Shack being sustainable housing community, Shack. What you can see in the back is Great North Road over there. You can see the depth of the site, screened by trees here. It's the main road, central through the campus here at Unitech, and then it's screened on this side by some bush here. The view from the front of the building, if we were inside the house looking out now, will be this, the view there. That's north. There's a breeze coming from the west, noise from the Great North Road there. And yeah, there's Ian, Robert, hey Robert, and there's Penny over there. And yeah, immediately start thinking about some of the design areas that our product students will be working in terms of privacy, so on and so forth. Anyway, I'll take some photographs and geotag those photographs, upload those to the blog, so you'll be able to see exactly where we are. Okay. Load it. Sometimes it says, your video won't be loaded for 24 hours onto YouTube. So these little applications make that so much easier and more immediate, and hopefully more enjoyable. There's nothing worse than loading up something and then wait for 24, 48 hours for it to load so that you can actually, other people can share it. So yeah, quick would be, is that quick? Is that quick?
There's John. He's our chauffeur for today.
Oh, he's on the driver.
There's Jane. Hello, Jane. Winnie. Hello. Here's the trusted. What is it? It's a Ford
Ranger.
Ford Ranger.
I hold silver away.
And we're off on a road trip down to Rotorua. This is me. Hello. And we're going to see Scion, and we'll let you know how it goes later on. Bye.
Hey, my name's Nathan. What I like best about the N95 is the convenience of holding one product that contains a camera, a great camera at that, a phone, and 3G mobile, so you're able to surf the net. The great thing about it, I can just hop on and check my emails, just rather than turning on the laptop, waiting for it to load, and then figuring out if you're going to get on the hotspot, Unitech at all.
Tom asked me to reflect on the phone and what I've been doing with it, and I've been using it to Google on the internet, to check my emails, and to do various other things, find places when I'm out and about. Google Maps is really useful. I've been taking photos. I've upgraded to a better camera now, because I can use this for snappy shots that I would have taken with my small camera, and use the better one, the bigger one, for better ones when I need better quality photos. So that's been really good, because it's very useful just whipping out the camera and taking photos. But I've been putting them up on my box and then adding text on my laptop, because it's quite a bit easier. I have noticed though that I've been playing with iPhones and Express Music phones, and man, that screen is so much better. So looking forward to the N97 a lot.
Hi, this is Roger Bateman from the Department of Design at Unitech. I'm posting another tutor reflection on the mobile Web 2 project that we've been doing again this year. If you'd like to see some earlier reflections on the benefits that we've witnessed as staff, have a look at some of my other videos on YouTube. Just now what I want to focus on is the use of social networking sites along with
wireless mobile devices and how we've used them this year. So this year we decided to use a social networking site called Ning, N-I-N-G, Ning, and we set up a Ning site which allowed all of our students to have an individual blog, individual page on the Ning site. But what's most interesting about it is it allowed us to set up forums, discussion forums, upload documents, which is very hard to do on some of the blog sites, and it allowed us to share events, calendars, and a number of other things. And we found it to be absolutely fantastic as a tool to create a collaborative, a sense of collaboration and a collaborative environment. And it's definitely something that we're going to be carrying on with. The project we've been doing is called SHAC-09, which is a Sustainable Habitat Challenge 2009, and it meant that we had to run the project with 3 other departments, which made 4 departments in all. Those departments were landscape, building, communication and design. And because we were all focused on this one major project, it meant that using the Ning site was a great way of aggregating all the information, communicating information, and keeping everybody up to date with the things that were changing on a daily basis in the project. Some of the students, some of the programs that the students are on were part-time, and some of them were of a kind of a smaller component in terms of time than others. So it meant that keeping track of what everybody was up to was going to be difficult if we didn't use a site like this. And as I said, it worked extremely well. But one thing we have worked out as well this year is that you can't substitute real-time and face-to-face interaction with virtual interaction. So again, Ning proved a good site, and because of the ability to use calendars and set up events through the site where the students were able to come together socially and discuss and then go away and carry on blogging and communicating in a virtual environment. So yes, I recommend social networking sites along with wireless mobile devices to help improve socially constructed learning environments. Thanks.